Best way to peel a boiled egg. First, you crack it as much as you can. I do this by hitting it with a utensil. Anyway, then you're gonna start from the bottom. From the bottom, there's an empty space, so you don't pinch the egg. But then you have this skin, kinda, or this web underneath. Holding the phone with my knees so I can use my hands. So yeah, it has kind of like a skin. You're gonna want to push with the yam rather than pull. Yeah. And if you do it carefully, kind of looks like snake skin. And you see? No rough areas on the egg. It's completely smooth. Again, pushing the yam. There's always going to be bits of shells. You're going to have to be careful with that. Otherwise they taste sandy. And well, there you go. The best way to peel a boiled egg. This one is soft boiled. Boiled it for 3 minutes and it's gooey on the inside. Well, anyway, that's all.